box. See what's in it. It's another box. How do we get into this? Ooh, it's got a cloth, and that cloth has Germois written on it. Cloth. Ooh, and there's a bag in the box. What's in the bag? Bag. It's got another box, but it's metal. And that's got stuff in it. What's in the stuff? Should I cut to the chase? So this is the aluminium, bit of foam, the aluminium case for my GoPro. So whenever I've done any of my vlogs and stuff, I've had my GoPro camera in its little case, like this, in the frame they call it, the GoPro frame. And then I have my microphone with the little stupid adapter plugged in, like that. And then my microphone has blue tack on the bottom of it. This is the Rode Video Micro. And then the blue tack sits on top. That was my setup for quite some time now that I've had the GoPro and I've had the microphone. Normally it's in my car that way around and it's sort of dangling. That's normally that way around, like sticking up, like that. Get in the thing, will you? Oh, for crying out loud. There we go. That goes in there like that, and that holds onto the dashboard, and then this is just flopping about. And most of the time this falls off, especially when I'm doing long videos and things, and it's just not ideal. It just looks a bit crap. So that's where this comes in. And this is special. It's special. Let's take this back out of the frame. Ugh, worst invention ever. So this frame comes with some little attachments and stuff, and they're all made of metal. That's really cool. Most importantly is this one. This is a cold shoe mount, and this screws onto the top of the case. So there's a little door on the back here which comes off, and then I can choose where I want to put this little cold shoe, and I want to put it there. Little countersunk screw. Just gonna do it up loose for now. I'll do it tight later, but for the sake of demonstration, if I can do it up, I haven't got a screwdriver down there, have I? No, thumb screw. The amount of times I've done up screws with just my fingers. My MacBook Pro, for some reason, all the screws along the front, they all come loose, and I'm forever tighten them up with my little fingers. Right, so look, so now I've got a case with a shoe mount on the top, and the GoPro sits inside that case. Then there's this little back door, and that slides over the GoPro into the little grooves, over the little, there's a little spring-loaded ball there, and that sits in there just nice. And then there's a little screw on the side of here, and as you tighten it up, there's a little flap on the inside which moves, and it pushes it against the camera, I hope, and that's just not cracking my camera. So now I've got a GoPro in a little aluminium case, and it's got a cold shoe. Compare that to the old one, the frame, which is literally just a plastic frame with a clip on it. So it's not like, obviously this GoPro, this is the Hero 6, it is waterproof, but it's still got that clip that was designed on the waterproof cases to make it waterproof. Obviously this has got the, drop it. Obviously this has got the thing on the bottom to attach it to all the standard frames. I have one of those as well if I want to put one on, that's fine. But on the bottom of here, not only have I got that, I've also got the 1/4 inch. So if I want to, I can just screw this directly onto a tripod. But now I can take my Rode microphone here, undo the little screw thing on the bottom, slide it into the shoe mount and tighten it up. Like that. And then that can sort of plug into there. And then somehow find somewhere for that stupid dongle thing to go. Somewhere like there, I don't know. Figure that out. It can even go under, I suppose. It can go like that. And it can go under. In fact, what some people, the way they have done it, is they've actually brought it around the front. So they actually plug it in like this. So it's plugged in, and it's round the front, like in between the, so it's not in the way of the lens, it's not in the way of the microphone. And then the little cables, you can just sort of crop them in different places, so they're not in the way. And there we go. Obviously that looks a bit loose because I haven't done the screwdriver thing up, but yeah. This case also comes with a UV filter, which is removable, and you can put whatever you want on. So you can put bigger things on there, you can put like a sun shield and that sort of stuff. It's got a lens cap. Yeah, a lens cap on a GoPro, right? How cool is that? Very cool. Plug a tripod straight onto it. I haven't got to faff about with these little clip things if I don't want to. Perfect. Oh, and a little wrist strap thing. You get another GoPro clip. You get another one of those in case you, for some reason, want to use those. But yeah, very cool. New vlogging setup. Like it. Cool. Well, my name's John from the Machine Shop. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Machine Shop UK. I've got a new website which is going to go live soon, which will be themachineshop.uk. Yeah. So, thank you for watching my little video on my new case, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!